can show you. So the really cool thing is, this is Ubuntu running on the phone, and it's the same OS that basically runs on the tablet. So when I show the tablet now, there you go. So this is the tablet, and it's the same operating system as running on the phone, with just some additional features. So the first thing you see is the same welcome screen. So for example, Lola, go to Lola, the same visualization as on the phone. You can go to different users, because one of the really cool things about a tablet is being used in multi-user environments. For example, your family or enterprise, and therefore we have multi-user support on a tablet. So different people can use the same tablet. I can, for example, go to guests and log in over there, and when I unlock the phone now, I see the same home screen as I see on the phone. Go here, see that home? I go to home here. Same content, just optimized for a beautiful tablet screen. Also, when I go, for example, to the gallery over here, I can show the gallery all over there. It's basically the same application that scales beautifully across different form factors. Now, I showed you already that while I'm in the app, I want to do multitasking, right? So for example, I want to change settings on the volume. I can just go to the top edge and have access to all my key system settings. Date time, battery, networks. For example, the network, I want to change my Wi-Fi. I change it over there, bring it back up, and I'm back in my app. It's the same behavior as I was doing on the phone. So also here network, I can change my network, bring it back up, I'm back in my app. So I never have to leave my app to do something else. Also, for example, I can go over here and launch another app if I want to, or go back to the home screen. I go back to the home screen, and I can go back into the gallery. Now, one of the other really cool things about Ubuntu is that we have true multitasking. So, for example, when I'm in an app and I want to do something else, I can bring in another app next to it. So, let me show when I'm going to watch a video. So, over here is the video lens, carousel of all kinds of beautiful videos. I open this one, open a video. Now, for example, want to make a note, I open the note app, and it appears as an overlay over my video. So while watching the video, I can do other things. I can also open Facebook there, or for example, the Notes app. Just hide it away or slide it back in. If I want to, I can make a note. I need to buy drink tomorrow. A grocery list, for example. I hide it again, and I'm back in my movie. So I can keep watching the movie while doing some other things.
Can you do the same on the smartphone?
And the really cool thing is, when I, for example, go to the smartphone, I open the Notepad app there. It's exactly the same app as running on the phone. So when a developer, for example, builds an app for the phone, it immediately runs on the tablet as well in the side stage. So it's one-time development, and it runs on all kinds of different form factors for Ubuntu. Now, another really nice thing is, I will close this application. I go back to the gallery. Let me open this one. Go to the gallery. Many applications on tablets have a very limited set of functionality. However, when tablets go to enterprises, go to more professional users, you also want to make sure that those users have more advanced functionality. And we invented a very cool mechanism to do that. So, for example, when I open a photo, I have my standard controls over here: edit, share, delete, what every user does. But we also have an advanced level, which is over here. So when I drag further, I go to the advanced level, and which we call the HUD, the heads-up display. And over here, I basically get all kinds of advanced features I can do with this photo. I can, for example, let me see, crop. Oh, there it goes. Go back. Crop the picture, crop it. So we bring a new level to touch user interfaces by adding an extra function to the user interface where there are more advanced features. I can also, for example, say, or type exposure. Let me see if it works. Exposure. I can change the picture immediately. Confirm, and I have an optimized picture. So it's a really nice way of adding complicated functionality in a simple way to a touch environment. Now if I want to go back to the home screen, I just go to the left, and I'm back in the home screen.
Can you show us the camera?
The camera works really well on the phone, for example. So I can go here. So obviously we also have a camera. I can make a picture. Oh, maybe I have to tap it. That's pretty cool. And now I can also go back to the gallery very quickly, and it should appear here. And there it is. So when I open it, for example, and now I want to delete it, bottom edge swipe, delete it, and I'm back. Right? So it's a very quick and fast way of navigating around. So this is Ubuntu running on phones and running on a tablet.